We found the secret waterfall at Silent Valley. Come with us and we'll show you the way. Park at Silent Valley. Once ready, follow the red path signs to the right of Silent Valley Dam. Follow the path, it's about 3 miles long towards Ben Crum. It's an absolute stunning walk, so take it all in. Once you see the tree, keep walking another 5 minutes till you find this gate on the left hand side. Open the gate and walk down the bank. Turn to the right, follow the stream along until you find the waterfall. Save this to your plans for the summer.